Go Jitters is ride number 1. Harvey's favourite, I reckon. This is always the first one we end up going on, isn't it?
See you soon, Go Jitters.
Hello?
Can you catch me nowhere?
Cool little facts as you go around. Let's go, Go Jitters. I'm coming. Alright, Noah, time to move up. Bring Marvin.
London is often called Big Fish.
Yeah, thank you. Go on, dude, keep going.
Is the name of the great bell inside the tower.
We're next.
He was alright. That's the longest ride we've
What did they let me?
they have this basket.
Let's go, Noah.
Take those bags off and put them in the bag.
Go, do you give me the bag?
I think you.
You're on.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Maybe get a picture first, just in case you say no.
Go on there, on you. Sit down so we can take a picture of Marvin. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cheese! Show me Marvin's face. Where's your face? Good boy.
Do you want to put it in the bag?
Huh?
You put it in the bag, or you
I haven't got the bag.
No, I wouldn't think it was.
It's on.
Oh yeah, dude, Marvin's got to go in the bag now, okay? Oh, forgot about Marvin. Probably not.
Got his picture.
We got a picture. Oh,
Hi, Noah.
you got your. Are you done your belt all by yourself?
Yeah.
Well done.
Can we go?
Then we got to use this to go up and down, okay?
Check your bars, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can you push up? And that'll make us go up in a minute, okay? And look, you can see Shadow Ryan and Harvey. Harvey! Hi!
I'm here.
Noah, are you going to make it go really high?
See, this is why this is a winner, because I couldn't have my camera on this last time. This is why this is a winner, because I couldn't have my camera out the last time. Whereas I don't think they're going to tell me to put it away this time. Exactly. Oh yeah. Are you ready? Ready? Go ding ding ding. Up down.
Up, down, up.
And we're going to go all the way up. Yay! Ready? Up. Ready? Up. Here we go, first ride of the day. Yeah.
Where's your bag, Dad?
In the box over there. Oh, here we go.
global adventure. You are a Go Jitter.
Oh, not ready. Oh, here we go. Up, up, up. Yay, higher.
Leave it. Go Jitter.
You're doing it. Up we go. We're going, we're going.
Great
Go.
work, Go Jitters.
So high. Hi, Harvey. We're so high up. Oh. Can we go down again? And up again.
Except for the Great Pyramid of Giza. Thousands of years ago. The biggest one is called the Great Pyramid of Giza. It's 146 meters high. You aced it, Go Jitters. Please remain seated until the ride has come to a complete stop. Once the ride is completely stopped and the bar released, you may leave the car, collecting your belongings as you go. See you soon, Go Jitters.
All done. Was that good? Yeah? There you go. Are you gonna say thank you?